And this place is buzzing, really.
Buzzing,
Buzzing
very
with
hip
people.
crowd. Very hip crowd.
It's got massive pizzas like that.
Huge pizzas, happy people.
Happy people, it's basically, happy meals. Today's episode sees us in the wonderful German city of Hanover. We make our way to the glorious Kastens Hotel Luisenhof. The hotel is next to the Hanover Staatsoper, which is just the opera house. It is from there that we set off on foot to the restaurant Listeria, 400 meters away on Joachimstrasse. So grab a coffee, sit back, relax and enjoy. Okay, so we are leaving the castle. It's very, very cute here. Unfortunately, we had to take photos in the rain.
Yeah.
Well, slight rain.
Slight, but it wasn't too bad. Still.
It wasn't too bad, but it was Darwin duck.
Yeah, dark.
Coolish. Oh wow, that's orange colours.
Oh yeah. It's autumn.
Yeah, colours are beautiful.
Yes, I know.
So we are 37 minutes from our hotel, okay?
37 minutes.
So there was no clothes on it.
No, so about half an hour.
Okay. Yeah, we've actually been lucky that we could enjoy the views. We have these gorgeous views of forests and some hills.
Forests, hills. Everything. No, we didn't come from here. We came from the other side.
Oh really? Okay, but it's very similar, right?
Yeah.
It's identical.
They also have similar planting schemes.
Yeah.
Trees
To
and
make
stuff.
everything like symmetrical and beautiful.
It's very symmetrical. It's very nice.
It's a good planning.
It's great planning. Germans are very methodical like that.
Yeah, that's true.
I think it's a nation, as a nation, they all suffer from
In
obsessive
600
compulsive
meters to
disorder.
the right onto B3.
They like everything being clean and tidy and neat.
Clean, tidy, neat. They're all neat freaks.
Just the right way, just perfect.
Yeah.
And Hanover. City of Scorpions.
The city of scorpions, more importantly.
It's got lights on. Buzzing.
It's buzzing.
Oh, it's nice. See? No, I can just bank on it. Must be very close.
Very close.
Okay, left here. Right. Oh, that's nice building there. Oh, that is. Yeah.
Turn right now, Armand.
Okay, that's interesting.
Okay, we'll just keep following the road.
Follow the road.
Taxi turn.
You think?
Yeah, I think so.
Ah, it's like a shopping center here.
Yeah, it all looks nice around here. It's something went from bleak city to...
Oh, that's it. That's our hotel.
That's the hotel.
Yeah, on the right.
Luisenhof,
You have arrived at your destination on the right.
Yeah, it's not. It's our hotel. Luisenhof. Bye bye. Hi, we are in the Kastens Hotel Luisenhof, and this is our room.
Yeah, it's more like a good 4-star rather than a typical 5-star like what we've experienced.
Yeah, it just didn't blow me away.
No, the service downstairs was
The
impressive.
service is really good, but
And even downstairs it looks good.
I'm very disappointed with the room at this point. And Brookie should be included if that's the start of the room I get.
Yeah,
Yeah. So,
yeah, it should be a penalty.
so yeah, actually I'm just gobsmacked because I don't know, this is a 4-star to me. So anyway, it's presentable, it's acceptable.
Yeah, but it's not as good as the other 5 stars as we've seen.
Yeah, it's not even close actually. Even the basic room in the luxurious grand hotel wouldn't be that.
Yeah.
carpet here. You can see carpet walls here.
Yeah,
That's how bad it is.
it's a shag pile. Like the carpet is not old. It's obviously not old, but it's old-fashioned style, like shag pile. It's
So weird.
Most
Like, I've
unusual.
never seen such carpet ever.
I have. It used to
Oh,
be very
you have?
popular. It used to be
I
very
haven't.
popular once upon a time, but a long time ago.
Yeah, and you know, like you said before, like you expect a marble around in the bathroom, it's just not there.
It's not there.
It's not there.
It's not there. Alrighty.
Anyway, yeah, we're pretty hungry, so we're gonna go out to the joint and chill.
Okay.
Bye bye.
Bye-bye.
Hi, today is Thursday, 22nd November 2018, and we are out in an Italian restaurant called Osteria in Hannover, city of scorpions.
Yeah.
So it's just about just after 6, and this place is buzzing really.
Buzzing. Very hip
with
crowd. Very hip crowd.
It's got massive pizzas like that.
Huge pizzas, happy people.
Happy people. It's basically, you know, happy meals.
Happy
cheap
meals.
Yeah, so we're gonna have fun and enjoy this.
Yeah, it's like a La Porchetta sort of vibe, a German La Porchetta.
Yeah, German Canada. It's very impressive actually. It's nice decor, it's friendly staff. Basically I got my wine after the third time. I didn't like the first two.
Yeah.
That was the third tourist.
Can't beat it.
And then yeah, they were still patient and bringing it and offering. Yeah. Really happy with it.
You've got to be happy.
It's been just an amazing evening. We got an upgrade, we got this.
It's all happening.
Okay. Talk to you after. Bye bye.
Bye-bye.
Like to see
I'd like
that.
to see.
That was the first one.
Yeah.
Which is an amazing room.
Yeah.
Quite cute.